Jenny from Easy Chinese. Today I'm going to introduce you one Sichuan dish, which is stir-fried beef. Sichuan is a province, a big province in the Midwest of China. In that single province, it has more than 100 million population. And the flavor, the Sichuan people like hot and spicy flavor. So today I'm going to introduce you a dish, of course, with a bit hot and spicy. So the first main ingredient is the beef. I used the tender part of the beef, which is the fillet steak, about 1.5 inch, like this. And then is the celery. Celery also chopped is like 1.5 or 2 inch long. You chop it like a lengthway, like this. And all the seasonings is of course Sichuan chili pepper, and this is the Sichuan peppercorn. I roasted them and then crushed it into powder. And this sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of sugar, slice of ginger, slice of garlic, rice wine, light color, soy sauce, sesame oil, dark color vinegar. I'm going to season the beef first. 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of this Chinese rice wine, 2 teaspoons of this light color soy sauce. Well, I mix it well, then the seasonings absorbed by the beef. You can check my website, my YouTube channel, and also the Pinterest account. You can find a lot more other recipes for delicious Chinese food and some international food. And also you can find my video for teaching you to learn some basic Chinese characters in a very interesting way. This is in Chinese 牛肉. So I turn on the fire. I need to wait this wok until it's very hot. For the Chinese stir fry, to prevent them stick on the bottom of the wok, you need to heat up the wok very hot. Add the oil, season the wok first, and then add the meat. Otherwise, they will stick on the bottom. We need the wok to be very hot, but oil no need to be very hot. So now add a little bit oil first, and then you do this. Season the wok. You see, it is very hot. The oil is immediately, becomes smoke. Put it back. Add a little bit more. We don't need to wait. The oil become very hot. We put the meat now. See, it's not stick to the bottom at all. This dish, we want this beef, the texture is a bit dry. We don't want juicy and tender the texture for this dish. So we need to fry it for a while to let the lose the water. So the fire is about like medium high, not too high, not too low. If it's too high, it will be burned quickly, and too low will not lose the water fast. It's too slow. The level of the heat is very important. Get rid of the juice. So we need to constantly stir. Look, the beef now already changed the color. Add a bit of this dark color soy sauce, just a little bit. And then the sesame oil, about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then ginger, garlic. Slice the chili, a bit sugar. Now you can smell all the aroma from the ginger, garlic, soy sauce. Now put the celery. on the edge of the wok, just a little bit, black vinegar. All right. No, this is just to get a more complex flavor, but not you won't taste the sourness of the vinegar, but just give you a bit more, aroma and flavor. And then the crushed sesame. Okay, turn off the fire now. Add a little bit more salt and this Sichuan peppercorn powder in the end. Okay, it's ready.